guys, it's your girl Merce. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very popular dish called kefta. So stay tuned. Okay you guys, so everybody makes their kefta differently, and they can either make it in round like little hamburger sizes, or they make them long ways and they put them on the skewers. Either way, there's different cultures depending on where you're from. Different places make it, a certain way. This is how I'm going to make it for you guys today. The ingredients you're going to need is a flat leaf parsley. You're gonna need some muck. You can find it at your Middle Eastern market. 1 onion and ground beef. You're gonna need a food processor. You're gonna need salt and pepper, and you're gonna need to wash your parsley. All right, you guys, so to my food processor, I'm going to add a big old stack of parsley. Cut this onion up, and I'm going to incorporate it little by little. And I'm just going to add some oil. Then you're going to put your food processor on. Alright you guys, so I put my beef in a large bowl, which is what you're going to want to do as well. I got 2 pounds. It's up to you how many you want to use. I literally am going to put the parsley mixed with the onion to this. Be careful you don't hurt yourself. And now we're going to mix everything together. You can use gloves if you want to, or just wash your hands really well. Make sure everything's incorporated really well. And then we're going to add the other ingredients. I've incorporated all my ingredients. Now I'm just going to spoon some muck on here generously. Not much left. This gives your meat a lot of flavor. You're going to add pepper. Going to add salt. And again, you're going to incorporate all your ingredients. And we'll be back to put them on the skewers. Alright, so I've incorporated all my ingredients. Now I'm going to get a skewer. You can use a metal one. You can use a wooden one. Again, you don't have to make it like this, but you're just going to grab a little bit. Wrap it around here. Get some water to help you manipulate the meat better. And you can go all the way up. You can cut the skewer in half. It's up to you.
So is this normally the traditional way? Because I've seen it already made in patty form. And
yeah. And then you can do the traditional lines like how they do it, but it's up to you. And there you go. We're gonna grill them and we'll be back. Alright you guys, so I also made some Arabic salad. I'll share that recipe in the future with you guys. Here's our kefta. Thanks for cooking with me today, and stay tuned for more videos. If you guys are interested in any of the plates or even this oil Latin spout, make sure that you check out the description. I will link my Amazon store for you. Thanks guys.